Ikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang at asa na tayo sa huli.
Galing ka na naman doon?
La, journalist student ako. Trabaho ko ito.
Apo, ang trabaho ay pwede mo namang gawin ng malayo sa peligro.
Pero la, yung katotohanan, hindi.
Excuse me. So, wala kang masakyan?
Obvious naman, di ba?
So you see, there's a order for us to given by us that we should clear the street before, or 5 minutes before the curfew.
But I don't like running because there's a clock.
Just go home. It is already 9 p.m. and it's almost past the curfew, so be safe.
Okay.
Parang close kayo nung journalist na yun ah.
Just a routine check.
Routine check. Bakit pa ulit-ulit ka nag-clear?
If there's no violation, then it simply means there's no violation.
Pero Velasco, be careful. Baka ma-misinterpret.
What do you mean?
Wala. Just saying.
Excuse me, saan ka punta?
Oh, ikaw yung police kanina, di ba?
Oo, parang ano lang, tagal mo maglakad. May iniisip ka ba?
Ang dami eh. May, kanina, may nag-rally kanina.
Saan ba about yung ano, sa rally?
Alam mo yun, politika.
Ano yun pala?
Ikaw, bakit nag-police ka?
Ano lang. Gusto ko lang sumunod sa tapak ng papa ko.
Tapos,
Wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang dun. Dito ka lang?
ikaw punta.
Sige. Ingat
Teka
ka.
lang. Anong pangalan mo?
Ako pala si Daniel.
Ako pala si Gab.
Nice to meet you, Gab.
Nice to meet you, Chief.
Ingat.
Good night, Gab.
Good night.
Ako pala si Gab.
Nice to meet you, Gab.
Nice to meet you, Chief.
Ingat.
Tanging ikaw ang nasa
Sir. Minor observation lang, sir. Velasco keeps clearing this journalist, even flag na siya.
And
He left the post early, sir. The same night as the journalist is around. Murag conflicted siya, sir.
conflicted? How?
He's hesitant.
You're dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Velasco!
Sir.
Sit.
Thank you, sir.
You're aware that you're being discussed.
No, sir.
You've cleared him repeatedly.
No ground for detention, sir.
And yet he continues to publish. Do you read this work? Answer!
Yes, sir.
Do you sympathize it?
No, sir.
Your hesitation is noticeable. You left your post early last day.
Yeah, sir.
For 15 minutes. You're my son. You are an officer. If you cannot handle one journalist, you cannot handle responsibility. You do not get to be conflicted. They will bring him in
For questioning.
or correction. You will confiscate his materials. Remind him what escalation leads to. Make it clear he is being watched. If he stops publishing, we will end this quietly. If he does not, you will not hesitate. Prove that I did not raise a doubt. Daniel, you will not embarrass this uniform.
Full name?
Really? You already know my full name.
For the record.
Gabriel Ibanez.
You are being questioned regarding publications classified as destabilizing content.
Destabilizing?
Repeated criticism of curfew enforcement, reference to structural abuse, encouragement of public questioning. And also, you are aware of the consequences of escalation.
So, are you telling me?
I am informing you.
So, you read them.
Sources?
Excuse me?
Provide the name of individuals contributing to these materials, and then
You think I give you all that?
If you continue publishing flag material, formal charges can be filed, such as incitement, obstruction, and civil disruption. Your camera.
No warrant?
Administrative hold.
So, that's it.
This is a warning.
From you?
From the station.
Okay.
If publication continues, detention will follow.
You don't hesitate anymore.
Don't.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Daniel. Good work. You did not hesitate. That is discipline.
mangyayari sa'yo?
Wala. Paalam na.
Hindi ka masasaktan kung gobyerno lang ang kalaban. Mas masasaktan ka ng tao. Ano, pinagpatuloy mo? Mabuti naman. Pero, huwag mong kakalimutan. Ang mga lalaking nila para magdala ng anas. Napakahirap para sa kanilang umiwas sa kanilang hanap.
You will choose.
Maaari kong magbago ang desisyon nito.
You publish again.
Yes, sir. It is more direct now, sir.
Bring me Velasco. Sir. See. You warned him.
Yes, sir.
You confiscated his materials.
Yes, sir.
And yet he continues to publish. Do you know what this means?
He choose to continue, sir.
No. Your warning is not effective. An authority without consequences invites defiance. You will arrest him.
Understood, sir.
You will lead it publicly. You will show the station that discipline is consistent. Or I will assign someone who is. The next gathering is scheduled at Fuente in evening. Monitor your flag subjects. You will move at sunset. Dismiss.
Sir.
Daniel, loyalty is proven under pressure.
Move.
Gabriel Ibanez.
Daniel Velasco?
You are being detained for continued publication of flag destabilizing material.
You said consistency will follow. You weren't lying.
Surrender everything in your possession.
Sergeant.
To who?
Put your hand forward.
Second cuff. Velasco.
Paulit-ulit na lang sinasabi, pero tingin ko naman pinaninindigan mo. Palaging natatago ang isip. Paulit-ulit ko lang sa huli